Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to online class. Now I am going to discuss the topic fraction, exercise 5C. Listen children, state the equivalent fraction shown by the shaded parts in the following diagrams. After seeing this diagram, you are going to write that in the fraction. Can you clear this? See here, already I have said that the total number of equal parts here is what? 4. Here the shaded part is what? 1. So I can write this in a fraction what? 1 by 4. Got it? Now here the total number of equal parts is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the total number of parts denotes in the denominator. So 8, and my shaded part is what? 2. So whether this 1 by 4 and 2 by 8 are equal? Yes, it is equal. Why? Because of 1 I multiple by 2. I can get the answer to be what? 2. Same thing in the denominator, 4 when I multiple by 2. The answer is what? 8. So it is a common multiplication here. Got it? So 1 by 4 is equal to 2 by 8. So I am going to write the answer to be what? Answer. What is my answer? 1 by 4 is equal to 2 by 8. By seeing the shape, I am writing the number of equal parts and the shaded part. Is it clear? Total number of equal parts and the shaded part. Now when I am coming for the D sum, see the total number of equal parts is what here? 9. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The shaded part is what here? 3. See here, listen, here the total number of equal parts is what? 3. The shaded part is what? What is the shaded part? 1. So listen children, 3 3s are 9. What is that? 3 3s are 9. Here what? 1 3s are 3. So my multiples what? Here what? The same number I am multiplying. So my answer is what? What is my answer? 3 by 9 is equal to 1 by 3. 3 by 9 is equal to what? 1 by 3. Shaded part is what here? 3. The total number of equal parts is what here? 9, and here 1, and the total number of equal parts is here what? 3. See, listen children, I can divide this by 3, or else I can do like this also. 9 divided by 3 is what? 3. Same thing, 3 divided by 3 is what? 1. So what I am dividing now? It is by the same number. Like that, like this also I can find out. Can you clear this children? Can you clear? Shall I move on to the next one? See, find two equivalent fraction for each given fraction. Find the two equivalent fraction for each given fraction. From the previous sum, just according to the shape I am find out whether it is a equivalent or not. But for this sum, I am going to, they itself given the fraction, I am going to find out the two equivalent fraction for this. See children, 5 by 20 is there. Directly I can multiple, or else I can I can change this into the simplest form. Listen, 5 1s are, 5 4s are 20. Because this numerator and denominator I can cancel by the HCF. See, for example, 5 20 is there. Just you take the HCF for this. 5 1s are, 5 4s are 20. So what is my HCF here? My HCF is what? 5. So for that I am dividing by what number? 5. So 5 1s are, 5 4s are 20. Now I can write the equivalent fraction for this. Listen, 1 by 4, 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3. Next, 4 ones are by division line. So for the division line, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. Can you clear this? Can you clear this, children? So just with the HCF, I reduce the number. So after reducing, what I am getting? 1 by 4 I am getting. Now I can find the equivalent fraction for this. 1 by 4 is there. So 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3. Next, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. So this is my answer. Now, why don't you find out the HCF for 12, 15? 12, 15. Listen. 3 table. Yes. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. So, again I cannot cancel this by the same number. So, what is my HCF? My HCF is what? 3. So, I can cancel this by the 3 table. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. So, the answer is what? 4 by 5. Now, I can write the equivalent fraction for this. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, as well as 4 threes are 12. Next, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. Can you clear this? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12 over. Next, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. So here I multiple by 2 and here I multiple by 3. The same thing I am follow in the denominator into 2 I again here into 3. So my answer is what? What is my answer, children? 4 by 5 is equal to 8 by 10 is equal to 12 by 15. Can you clear this? Can you clear this? After finding the HCF, I am writing the equivalent fraction. See the same thing for HCF, you find out 24, 48, just 2 by the 2 table. What is that? 2 12s are 24, 2 24s are. Next again go by the 2 table. 2 6 are 12, 2 12s are. Again you go by the 2 table. So 2 3s are 6. Next what is that? 2 6 are 12. Again go by the 3 table. So 3 1s are, 3 2s are. So what is my HCF? What is my HCF? See, the whole numbers are my HCF. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 8 3s are what? 24. Got it? 24 is my the HCF. So 24 ones are 24. 24 twos are 48. Now I can find the equivalent fraction for this. 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6. So this is my answer. Can you clear this, children? Can you clear this? Now I am coming for the third sum. Find the missing numbers that make the fraction equivalent. See, here the missing number is there. We have to write the number, but when you are writing the number, it will not disturb this equal because of 2 by 7 is equal to box of 35. See, listen children, 7 5s are what? 35. The same number I have to multiple in what? Numerator. So, 2 5s are what? What is the 2 5s are? 2 5s are is 10. So, my answer is, what is my answer? 2 by 7 is equal to 10 by 35. So, in the box I fill the answer. Clear, children? Is it clear? Next one I am coming for this. See this. See the first fraction and you are comparing with the second fraction. See, the lowest 2 by 7 when you are comparing to this is what? 7 5s are is 35. But here see what is there? 88 is there and the next fraction is what? 11. So what you have to do means you have to divide here. So 88, what I divide, I can get 11. 88, when I divide by 8, I can get what? 11. Is it or not? The same thing 40, I have to divide by what? 8. 40 when I divide by 8, what is my answer? 5. 5 8s are what? 40. 5 8s are 40 and then what? 11 8s are 88. So my answer is what? 40 by 88 is equal to 5 by 11. Is it clear, children? 40 by 88, just I am dividing by the same number 8. So what is that? 5 by 11 is my answer. See here, 2 by 15 is equal to 8 by box. So 2 by 15. So 2 when I multiple by 4, I can get what? 8. Same thing, 15 I multiple by 4, what is the answer? 60 is my answer because 15 fours are what, ma? 60. Got it? So my answer is 2 by 15 is equal to 8 by 60. So this is your rough column. Any doubt in this, children? Any doubt? Shall I move on to the next one? Listen. Express the fraction as tenth. What is a fraction as tenths? Tenths. So this denominator I am going to write in the tenth. Already it is 5 is there. So what I multiple, I can get tenth there in the denominator. So if I multiple by 2, I can get 10 in the denominator. The same thing also I have to do in the numerator. So the answer is what? 6 by 10. Now listen, whether in the denominator you are having tenths? Yes, in the denominator you are having tenth. Can you clear this? Now see the B sum. 7 is there, but no number in the denominator, just I can write as to be what? 1. 7 by 1 is what? 7. So here 1 is there, then what I multiple, I can get tenth here. I can multiple by 10. So listen, the same thing what I am doing the denominator, I have to do the same thing in the numerator. So 7 tens are 70, 1 tens are 10. So now see my answer in the denominator, I am having what? Tenths. Got it? See, listen. In the denominator, tenth should be there. But what is here in the denominator? 20th is there. So, how can I change this 20 to 10? Dividing by 2. Same thing what I am doing in the denominator, I have to do it in the numerator also. So, 14 divided by 2 is what? 7. And 20 divided by 2 is what? 10. Now I can get the denominator 10th. Is it clear, children? Is it clear or not? Now I will move on to the fifth sum. Find an equivalent fraction for the following fraction as directed. See what is that? Here I have to make my numerator as 15. What is given in the question? 3 by 8 is given in the question. Numerator is what? The division line. Above the number is what? Numerator. I am going to change that numerator into 15. How can I change that numerator as 15? Already 3 is there. When I multiple by 5, I can get what? 15. Is it or not? See, once if I am doing what in the numerator, the same thing I have to do it in the denominator. So listen, 5 3s are 15, 8 5s are 40. 5 3s are 15 and 8 5s are 40. So this is my answer. Can you clear this? Can you clear this or not? Next one I am coming to the C sum. Listen, 8 by 11 having denominator 55. So I have to make my denominator as to be what? 55. Already 8 by 11 is in the question. What I am going to in the denominator 55? 11 is there. What I multiple, I can get 55 here. 11. 5s are 55. So here I am multiplying by 5. Denominator I am multiplying by 5. The same thing numerator also I have to do. So what is this? 8 5s are 40. 11 5s are 55. So this is my answer. Can you clear this, children? Next, 48 by 84. I am going to having numerator to be what? 4. So this 48 I am going to replace into what? 4. Can you clear this? So first I am finding the HCF for this. 48, 84. Listen, children. 48, 84. 2. 24s are 48. Next, 2 42s are 84. Next, 2 12s are 24. Next, 2 21s are 42. Now, 3 table. 12 and 21 is we can see in the 3 table. So, 3 4s are 12. 3 7s are 21. So what is my HCF here? What is my HCF? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. My HCF is what? 12. So I can cancel this 48, 84 by what table? 12 table. So when I divide this by 12 and this is also I am going to divide by 12. So 48 when I am dividing by 12, what is my answer? See, 48 I am going to divide this by 12. 12 4s are 48. So what is the answer? 4. And 84 divided by 12 is what? 7. So 4 by 7 is my answer. Can you understand, children? Now I change my numerator. What here? By 4. Any doubt in this? Any doubt? Shall I move on to the next sum? See here. Check whether the following fractions are equivalent or not. Whether this fraction and this fraction I am going to compare and I have to check whether it is a equal or not. See, listen. 7 by 8, 35 by 40. Just you take the LCM for this. You are having two different denominators here. So, please make a LCM. See, what is the LCM for 8, 40? Listen, children. See, you have to do only by the prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7 are the prime numbers. So, 2 4s are 8. 2 20s are 40. Next, 2 2s are 4. 2 10s are 20. Next, 2 1s are 2 5s are. So, my LCM is what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. See, listen, 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. So, what is that? What is my LCM here? 40. What is my LCM here? 40. Here, see, here the LCM is 40, but here what is there? 8 is there. So, what I multiple with 8, I can get 45. So, numerator also I have to do the same thing. Denominator also I am going to multiple with the same number. See, 7 5s are 35 by 8 5s are what? 40. Again here 35 by 40. So, what is that? Both are equal. So, now I am going to write the answer for this sum. See, 7 by 8 and 35 by 40 are equivalent fraction or equivalent fraction. Can you understand this? See, in this sum, I am going to make my denominator as to be same. What I have to do? by taking the LCM, I make my denominator same and I am writing that 7 by 8 is equal to 35 by 7 by 8 is equal to 35 by 40. Can you clear this? Can you clear this, children? Next, I'll move on to the B sum. Listen, here 4 by 5 and 36 by 50 are there. See, 5 and 50. So what you have to do? Just take the LCM. 5 comma 50. Listen, 5 ones are 5 tens are. Okay, see my LCM is what? 5 into 10. So LCM is 50. Already 5 is there. 4 by 5 in the denominator. I make my denominator as to be what? 50. So 4 by 5 is there. So I multiple this by 10. Here also in the numerator I multiple by 10 and 36 by 50 is there. So listen, what is that? 40 by 50. Here what? 36 by 50. Whether both are equal? No, it's not equal. Whether 40 by 50 is not equal to 36 by 50. So what I am going to write? Answer 4 by 5 and 36 by 50 are not a equivalent fraction. See, you have to compare the two fractions and you have to make your denominator same. How can you make your denominator? By doing the LCM. After finding the LCM, your denominators are same. Now go and compare with the numerator. 40 and 36 are there. So 4 by 5 is not equal to 36 by 50. Any doubt in this, children?